Hey guys, let's learn a story that's similar to another one. Here in this story, you and your friend want to hang out in the neighborhood. You guys are going to be wearing matching t-shirts. Let's take a look at where you are. We're looking at blue, orange, white. Where's your friend? Your friend should be wearing orange and blue. I see right here. Your friend is wearing orange and blue. That's great. You both are on the third floor. Now, let's go ahead and make sure you're in the correct neighborhood. Orange and blue. This is orange and green. Let's move over. Orange and blue. Orange and blue. Great. You're in the right spot. Now, let's take a look at your friend. Your friend is here. You are here. And both of you, again, this is important, are wearing matching colors on top, okay? So we need to check whether your friend is close or far from your house. How do we check? We put your finger on the white side and you trace. I'm gonna trace this way. Go down 1 turn, go down 2 turns. 2 turns to get to your friend. From this side, put your finger here and you will have 1 turn. I can feel the bump right here, right? If you put your finger right in the middle, you quickly get a small bump there. 1, 2, 2 bumps, 2 turns there. So it doesn't matter which way you go. There's 2 turns this way, and there's 2 turns this way. And if it's the same, that means your friend is not close to where you are. Okay? That's how you remember that. If the turns are the same, your friend is not close. So that's this story that we're learning. So what are we going to do? Well, your friend is in the neighborhood, so you think you can walk there. Okay, now how do we start walking? You see this white piece right here, the white side. You're going to push on it. You're going to stay on the 3rd floor. You're going to go down, and you're right here. And when you're there, you're going to fall down right underneath your spot. So this has to go right, push it down, and it goes down. Okay, what you don't want to do is turn it this way. We're not doing that, okay? You were here, you went over, and you just pushed down on this piece. And you're down there. And basically what's happening, let me tell you that story. You went for the walk to your friend's house. You fell down, you pushed down. So you see I'm kind of turning this like a clock here. You fell down. Now, your friend is going to come over and help you, okay? So how is your friend going to do that? Your friend, who's right here, is going to come help you. Now you are in this line right here, right? This is kind of where you are. So your friend would need to come here or here to help you. Your friend is here, so let's just have, instead of having your friend go here, then here, let's just have your friend go right there. So let's move your friend over, back 1, and then you can get back up since your friend is ready for you. You get right back up, the same way you fell down. You get 2 matching pieces. You have 2 matching pieces. What does that remind you of? The train. You have the headlights. Now, when we have this, what do? We want to make sure we get a 7 that's forwards or backwards. So I'm going to push this forward. Oh, cool. I have a 7 both ways, but we just need to have one of them. I see the headlights. And when we have the train, and this is going to be an orange train, right? We see the orange ladder. We're going to push the train forward this way, where the headlights are going. And in a second, we want to pull the train backwards. To do that, we need the white reverse button. Let's make the reverse button. We're going to turn this one way, and we should see the reverse button. If you turn it the wrong way, let me show you. You turn it this way, there's no reverse button. So that's how you know. So I'm going to turn it. I have the reverse button. That means we can pull the train backwards. Let's bring it backwards. I see 4 matching pieces here. I see the 2 white ones. Let's go ahead and bring them back to the bottom. There you go. 4 matching pieces, 4 matching pieces. We are done with this story. So let's review. This story is all about you and your friend, and you have 2 matching colors on top, and your friend lives a little bit far from you. How do you figure that out? You traced with your fingers, and it didn't matter which way you traced. They were 2 turns away, so one side was not closer than the other. And since there's not a closer side, it's telling you that your friend lives a little bit far from you, and that's how you do the trick. You take a walk to go to your friend's house, you fall down, your friend comes over a little bit over to help you. He takes the shortcut, and then you get back up, and that turns into the train story.